Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing an ultimate clean with me on Sunday. I do a lot of cleaning, that's deep cleaning, but it was a little bit of a rainy day and I had a doctor's appointment and this was the only day I had off work, so I don't get the whole house done, but I got as much as I could done in the span of like an hour or two. Also, I'm sorry if the quality is not very good. Again, it was a rainy day and I don't have great lighting in my house. Now that that's all said and done, I do want to say my quote for today. It is by Marcus Aurelius, who was a Roman emperor, and his meditations were published into a book, and so I'm going to read you a passage. Do not waste the remaining part of your life in thoughts about other people. When you are not thinking with reference to some aspect of the common good, why deprive yourself of the time from some other task? I mean, thinking about so-and-so is doing and why and what he is saying or contemplating or plotting, and all that line of thought makes you stray from the close watch of your own directing mind. No, in the sequence of your thoughts you must avoid all that is casual or aimless, and most particularly anything prying or malicious. Train yourself to think only those thoughts, such as in answer to the sudden question, what is in your mind now?
After all that we've been through, I always know I'll be the one to care a little bit way too much. So now I'm gonna make a fuss. It has always been about you, never been a table set for two. You never care a little bit, not much. So now I'm gonna make a fuss.
I've been hanging on, counting days, thinking it was me all along. Had a million conversations in my head about where it went wrong. And I've got no idea where you've been, who you are, not anymore. All I got is this Polaroid picture of us from June 24th. It's where I kissed you for the first time, laid on your sheets. You gave me your heart and said you trusted with me, but all I did was let you down time and time again. It wasn't my intention, maybe we should have been friends. So, you're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy. But maybe I should've known. One more drink, just swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind, but nobody said it was easy. Maybe I should've known. I've been out till late, shifting beds, trying to kill the image of you. Got a million stupid reasons not to call, it's just that I want to. Do you remember how we pulled the drapes in the basement to get away from the world that we couldn't fit in? And how we used to walk those empty streets at night in the city lights is where I saw you for the last time. Said our goodbyes, sat in the car, you saw the pain in my eyes, but I just couldn't let you down time and time again. It wasn't my intention, maybe we should have been friends. So, you're someone I used to know, but nobody
I decided to clean behind this little table in my hallway, and this is a return vent, and I was just noticing a lot of dog hair just being built up. As you can see, it actually took me a couple different attachments on my vacuum and a rag, and I still didn't get all of it off of there. I think some of it's just glued now into it. But I think it's so much better than what it was, and it was so bad that I'm using this attachment that's made for dust, and the bristles got so dusty I couldn't use it because it wasn't picking up anything anymore.